hello, this is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I went to Tuesday morning today. So I went over there. Now, there's a couple of things. One, they've started a new thing now where the holiday pads, so anything that's holiday related, is going to be put with the holiday decor. So if you are a Tuesday morning shopper and you're looking for a Halloween paper pad or a Christmas paper pad or a Thanksgiving or Easter or whatever, and you cannot find one, go look in the decor section because it may be there. Now, it's kind of a pain in the behind, but the benefit to this is that when they put the holiday stuff on sale, 30% off, 50% off, 70% off, those pads are going to go on sale too. Okay? So that's a real kind of, cool thing that they're doing. It's a little frustrating to have to find stuff, but anyway. So I went, let me show you what I got. I bought this Sizzix Framelits die. It's a fairy on the moon kind of thing. So I got that. It's a nice size. All told, it's about 4.5, just over 4.5 inches long from here to here. So it's a pretty good size. And I'm going to be adding this to my fairy die collection, my die cut collection for my fairies. So we'll be adding that one in. And then I picked this one up. And I've looked at this a couple of times, but I just couldn't stop myself this time. I had to get it for my good friend, and I'm going to send it to her because she loves the red truck. And this one even has the little fence piece that can go on here. So I grabbed that for her. And then the other thing that I got was from Tim Holtz Ideology, the index clips. I grabbed a pack of these. And the reason that I did is because they're the little clips that I use when I make my dangles for my books, my tassels for my books. Simply because it can slide onto the book cover. So since it can slide onto the side of the book, I don't have to damage the book in any way or, put a hole in the spine or anything in order to attach this. So I grabbed it. And I've got that. So let me show you what else they had in the store today. They are starting to get stuff back in. Just, be patient. I told you guys it would start coming in. It is starting. So here's what they have. Okay, so you guys know I can't do anything about the music. So, okay, let's take a look. First thing we have are some Heidi Swapp scissors. Okay, $4.99 on this one. 2322628. And we have these for $6.99, 2322629. These are the nice heavy metal ones. All right, so next, I have these Spectrum Noir art liners. These are the brights for $9.99. And I'm pretty sure that's the only shades they have. Yep, just the brights. And for you card makers, we have some Sizzix Framelits with stamps. This one is dinosaurs. 7 pieces in there for $5.99. 233-5940. And this one is the Panda Bears. 5 dies and 4 stamps. Oh, 5 stamps. $5.99 on this one. 233-5941. Okay. So we also have the Sizzix Sidekick for $24.99. This is the machine, some Sizzix Sidekick cutting pads, 1 embossing pad, an instruction manual, 1 framelit, 11 thin-lit dies, 6 stamps, 1 small texture fades, 1 embossing folder. So you get like a whole kit. So what you get is like a tag and then a whole bunch of numbers. And you get like the circle part so you can make tags with numbers on them. You also get 2 different, 1 cuts and embosses, and the other one just embosses, plus the machine, the pads, and everything else. Not a bad little set. I have it myself. I actually like this one. I use it more often than anything else. But $24.99, the number on this one, 2340385. All right, so we got in some origami paper, and this is like a netting almost, for $3.99. It doesn't tell me how many pieces are in there. 2349687. And then we got this one, which is American Origami Style.
for $3.99, 234-9689, and you get the paper and the instructions in there. And then they have this, which is a value double pack for $5.99. So this is all your basic colors, and then they have this one, which is kind of space, and then some stripes and some foils and stuff. So just some really cool ones. And they're $3.99. So let's take a look at the pads. So we have Echo Park 6x6 Fall Break. This is a double-sided pad. Let's see, 48 double-sided paper, 65-pound cardstock for $5.99, 2323158. And we have this one, which is Welcome Home. 2323161 for $5.99, 48 double-sided papers in this one as well. Oh, that's pretty. And then we have this one, which is Christmas. 48 double-sided pieces in here as well. And I'm loving all this Christmas stuff, but if I hadn't just bought like a whole bunch of Christmas pads, I would go crazy. But I did. All right, and then we have this one. This is a 6x6 pad. Coffee is the topic on this one. 2323159. So this one I would have missed because they actually had this not in the craft aisle. It's on the bottom shelf in the Halloween stuff. And it is the Halloween pad by American Crafts. And this is a photorealism pad. Single-sided. This one is $6.99, 2322115.
All right, guys, that's it. If you haven't done so already and you're new here, hey, thanks for stopping by. Do me a favor now. Hit that red button and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. And then your friends can be my friends. And then we can all be friends. And that's really what building a community is all about. Till I see you guys again. Bye-bye.